Right, so here we go again. Let's take this apart. Luckily, I had the foresight to know I was going to mess it up. I didn't put it all back in fully. Put it in enough though. So, for those of you who don't know, I bought a job lot of amps, and it's two at the moment, meaning I fixed 2 and I failed at 2. And this Onkyo is the decider, right? And ultimately, really, I've failed. Why isn't that light on? There we are. I failed in the initial sense, but I'm not giving up on this one. I keep going. Perseverance is the key. Oh! And plus, the more I cock up, the more you get a laugh. So it's got to be worth it, hasn't it? But yeah. Going back, I put the capacitor in the wrong way. I took the filter caps out to test them. They were a bit low. Some people say that would have been fine, blah, blah, blah. More likely would have. I should have just... well, I wouldn't say left them alone, because I weren't going to change them. I thought it was all right. I weren't going to change them, but some clown put one of them in the wrong way. What was that? So, you would think, that's a silly thing to do, isn't it? Right. Concentrate now. Look at that. Oh, good look. Look at him. Right, split. Oh, the cap. See this black bit here? The cap flew straight across the room. I found it on the other side of the room. Right. It's ready to come out now. Every single time I forget about that little clip in the middle. Here we are. Here we go. So, we are back here again. Oh my god, as you can see, all plumbed in. The CD player is actually playing as we speak. So all that's left to do is switch this on. Oh god. We're ready to switch it on? Oh my god! Yes! That is epic. Yo, Adrian! I did it! So it looks like we eventually got there in the end with this Onkyo. Now, just to reiterate, something that is all over my channel anyway, is that I am not an expert, and I dare say there's quite a few going, yeah, you're bloody right, you're not, blah, blah, blah. But I'm not. I'm having a go, all right? Now, some things I am learning a lot on the way, and it's brilliant. But some things, I'm listening to the comments and I'm taking it on board and I'm researching. So we're getting there slowly. We are definitely getting there slowly. But this amp is not working. Do I 100% trust it? No. So what I will be doing is I will be putting it on and leaving it for quite a while and just see. Oh my. It just got caught in there, and make sure it's all fine. So I'm going to let it run for a bit and see if any issues occur. But it's been a bit of a journey. I've made quite a few mistakes. I've cocked up twice on the same thing. But again, because of your comments, I've learned a lot. And I will look forward to learning more in the future. Thank you very much, firstly, for supporting me or for giving me constructive criticism. I do take it on board and I do look to learn. So I really do appreciate it. But if you can help the channel that a little bit more by pressing the subscribe button and press the like button and hit that bell icon notification jobby so you get informed when new videos are uploaded. But from me and the Onkyo, until next time, ta-da! But wow.